Rolling through a line with a Tweedy bird holding down. And when I'm rolling, suckers like to duck around. Since I'm a gangster, as you see, I guess that you can say that I'm your average street brother from the CPT. Compton pisses many brothers off. Is it because we're the gangsters and we toss suckers to the curb? Cause if you say the wrong word, like the N-word a nigga, cause I serve dope by the dozen. Man, I know you ain't selling dope. Hell no, I'm slinging dope lyrics, not coke. But they put it in the hood for me to sell it. They might as well sell it in the drugstore, mail it. Tweedy bird note, sent down by the Kingsman. I do a drive-by, I don't swing when I hear a sucker coming up from the blind side. Yo, Tweedy, start up the line. 187 ride by. A brother needs a cat to try to survive. Sent by the neighborhood to start up an enterprise. Tweedy going low on the mic stand. Running up, my cause a reaction from my right hand. And watch for the left, cause it's set for the haymaker. And then back to the right for the jawbreaker. Hanging on suckers with the Tweedy bird for a jack. So I'ma crack 'em, and then I'll attack 'em, and work the jawbone till they can't chew. Don't ask what I'm doing, just doing what I gotta do. The T-W-double-E-D-Y. Punk, you need to watch the buggy, cause you might get a black eye. I don't drink, I don't smoke too, but I'm no goody-goody two-shoe. I go up and smoke food, so don't run, or even try to hide from the bum rush. 187 ride bar. So suckers don't tempt me to let off, just like a Mac-10 or a nuclear bomb, and still manage to remain calm. I break and shake MCs to their knees with ease. They try to freeze or blow a cool breeze to chill me off, but I'm cooled off already. Kick you in the pocket, get bored like spaghetti. Never ran and never will run from a buster punk. Little scary ass MC punk. So before I come, you better run and hide. Bipolar or bulletproof vest. 187 ride bar. Some more fools, man, tryna get away, I'm gonna smoke them too, man. Fuck them buster ass niggas. Give me that motherfucking gas, let me blast on these punk ass fools. It's irresistible, fucking criminal. Rolling down the front window, pulling out the gate and watch the fucking nigga was break. No, never left, no niggas are Superman, but goddamn Tweedy yells, smokers punk ass again. No time for fakers, so niggas stop the field. If the niggas playing dead, let's make this kill legal. Lethal, D-Mark. A nigga ex-ready for the black nation. So fuck the white masturbation. So I'm sticking with a nigga KB. You played me, you end up stuck in your grave, G. So if the gat's in your face, don't ask why. This is D-Mark, yeah nigga. 187 ride bar. My motherfucking dick, bitch, is something you won't get. I don't give a fuck about you, my dick is prejudiced. Still saying fuck a white bitch. And her mammy hate him the most. I deserve a motherfucking Grammy. This shit just ain't right, black with white. I respect my mama too much to bring a devil in her sight. She won't never see them motherfucking last thing devil sees is the fate of a Glock and a black queen. Lights out to your dome, gonna make you wish it wasn't your heart. Found in a bag, made of paper down the street from your house. Right along with your kids, thought they would live if you died. Well, the bitches never did, they come right after you. K-bitch, don't stare. A reason for me to end your life right there. Knock your ass up against the wall, just warming up. Take my good old time to kill a devil, what the fuck? They do this shit every day, like I can't tell what they do to us in movies, what they doing for real. Now my motherfucking niggas finna tear some shit. Tweedy low, ain't no joke, but my dick is still prejudiced.
My dick is prejudiced, bitch, so ain't nothing happening. Since Compton, stop it.
Black bitches,
got it poppin'. My dick is prejudiced, bitch, so ain't nothing happening. Since Compton, stop it.
hood rats,
Got it poppin'.
now every weekend put a devil bitch in her grave. I won't even get a chance to be my motherfucking slave. If so, I'm cutting out them fucking blue eyes. The bitch won't last a minute on the motherfucking east side. Compton ain't never allow whites to stay here. If you like your case, so much business, stay there. Once again, a devil banning rap. White bitch, keep your country shit. Bitch, I pay your cap to get my motherfucking point across, bitch. Fuck every bone in your body, from your mama to your kids. Even though I'm knowing we all gon' die, white folks gotta get up out of here a little quicker than I. Cut their throats, really don't want volunteer. What the fuck I wanna fuck you for, bitch? I don't think you hear it. Oreo ass niggas with your whore. House nigga fucking up my color, my people die for. Niggas down with me, kill at least 3 at a time. Don't waste no bullets on niggas unless they get out of line. Make it an everyday thing. Kill a devil and they kids promoting racial violence. Cause my dick is still prejudiced.
My dick is prejudiced, bitch, so ain't nothing happening. Since Compton, stop it.
Black bitches,
Got it poppin'. My dick is prejudiced, bitch, so ain't nothing happening. Since Compton, stop it.
hood rats,
Got it poppin'.
Lebanese. Out the power cause a child of the 70s. Rolling through your hood, nigga lay it down. Commits to leave a nigga's whole hood a ghost town. But I told you once, and you chose to twist it. 4 dead, 3 injured, and a soldier did it. Cause I'm down with the niggas that hang with me. Never have to worry about the ones that shade with me. For the simple fact that the niggas bang with me. And some of you niggas say you're killers, but just claim to be. And somehow, somewhere, yo, I heard of a zone. Rampage, grab the cage, time to build some domes. G-Pops came through with the Desert Eagle. Fucking feature fish, nigga, if you ain't our peoples. And these suck-ass niggas will keep running your mouth. And I'ma knock your motherfucking ass out. And I slay these things, so fool brace yourself. You wanna talk that talk, so let's walk that. From that first bullshit, I think your ass would've learned. YG is what I be, so it's stripes to be earned. They offered you counseling to learn from your mistakes, but instead I hit the shrink and learn to retaliate. You're picking up the tricks of the trade real good. I keep the enemies dropping to keep the hood popping. So you're a soldier, a young one to say the least. Uniform fully creased, khaki two-piece. Niggas coming to your hood wanna start static. 4 Desert Eagle, full metal jacket. So you think you're tough just because you're a little bigger? Boom, I pull the trigger, fuck walking with it. Why it's like and hating every other fool who tryna trip and got smoked. He said the fuck with Keystone, I put the gates to his throat. Pulled the trigger, then I knew I had the feeling for killing. With no remorse, I smoked the blunt and hit the drink, now I'm chillin'. Tried to let him know the 90s was the age of the killer. Now when a nigga drank a 40, got a blessing, my nigga. You know the coldest killers grew up in the city of Tombstone. If you're scared of dying, don't enter the wild zone. Cause damn, you never go home. This ain't Kansas, my home, sweet home. Yo, my home is where my strap is. Home ain't where the hardest. Cause niggas in Watts ain't got one. The only thing from blood around Watts is a shotgun. The pistol grip pump known to y'all as the 410 Mossberg. So once again, watch these niggas get served. And if they trippin' and you need a quick healer, then come to Watts and ask for your Keystone. Now we gon' let the motherfucking gunshots come. 1, 2, 3, 4 clips on another mission. Goddamn, I got 2 Glocks and a Mac 10 ready to put my fucking work in. My hands is short and I need a fucking lick. I cruise on a stove, pump gas, Korean bitch. Jump across the counter with the motherfucking quickness. Loaded a clip in the bitch just for screaming. Now my heart is bumping, I think she hit the fucking alarm. But that ain't stopping because I'm from Compton. The bitch slide there in a pool full of fucking blood. Still searching for some ends before I run. Gets the fuck out the fucking stove with the quickness. Jump into a tight 1977 cutlass. Now you know how a young nigga walk, nigga. Now talk that talk and start walking that walk. Motherfucking age, a youngster of the most hated niggas in the hood. I was among the worst and the best. Talk is always cheap. Nigga die, come with it, cause I've been playing for keeps. It's on every nigga's mind to try and take me out fucked up. That real shit is what I'm rapping about. Shot a nigga in his face at point blank range. A product of my environment. Ain't shit finna change. Many nights I thought about talking that talk, but all that shit came after I walked that walk. The worst you could do for me is kill your motherfucking self. And when you do that, tweet will fuck your whole step. Stink, bitch, it's over. I told you, no bullshit. Get my ass paid, I'm putting on them shoes. Lead pair, my dude. Step outside, you talk, you walk. Which the fuck do you